Hello viewers, our topic today is quadratic equation. Let us solve question number 1, fourth part. 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by the method of completing the square. 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x square is 2. Now we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So divide this entire equation by 2. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 plus 4 by 2 equal to 0. Simplify the value. X square plus x by 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Now the second step is take this value to the right hand side of this equation. X square plus x by 2 equal to plus 2 will become minus 2. Now this is in the form of, we have to write this third step. Left hand side we have to write these terms in the form of a plus b the whole square. Now the value of a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a square, this is 2ab. Now we have to find the value of b square. So 2ab equal to x by 2. 2ab equal to x by 2. X square equal to a square. X square equal to a square. X is equal to a. 2ab. The value of b equal to x divided by 2. Taking this 2a to the other side of this equation, this will go to the denominator. So this will go to the denominator. So x by 4 into a. X by 4, the value of a is x. So cancel x in the numerator, cancel x in the denominator. So the value is 1 by 4. So the value of b is 1 by 4 and the value of b square is b equal to 1 by 4. B square is equal to 1 by 4 fours are 16. 1 ones are 1. 4 fours are 16. B square value is 1 by 16. Now here only two terms are present. Now we have to add the b square term here. At the same time we have to subtract the b square term. X square plus x by 2. This is already given. Plus b square. Plus b square value is 1 by 16. Minus b square equal to minus 2. The left hand side contains only two terms. Here we are adding 1 by 16. While adding any term, we have to subtract the same term. We are adding the value of b square. So we have to subtract the value of b square. Then only plus 1 by 16 cancel minus 1 by 16 and the value of x square plus x by 2 equal to minus 2. The value of this equation remains unchanged. So now taking these three values, these three terms and write in the form of a plus b the whole square. The value of a is x, b is 1 by 4. So a plus b whole square means a value is x, a plus b the whole square minus 1 by 16 equal to minus 2. A plus b the whole square, we have to write this in the form of a plus b the whole square. The value of a is x and the value of b is 1 by 4, a plus b the whole square. This minus 1 by 16 and this minus 1 by 2. Now x plus 1 by 4 the whole square equal to minus 2. Taking this minus 1 by 16 to the right hand side of this equation, this will become plus 1 by 16. So adding these values, we can't add as it is, 1 is a fraction. So take LCM, 1 into 16 is the LCM. This minus 2 in the denominator, 1 is there, 16 is not there. So write 16 plus 1. Denominator 16 is there, 1 is not there. So 16 2s are 32, plus into minus minus, 2 into 16 is 32, plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 1 into 16 is 16. Minus 32 plus 1 is opposite sign. So subtract 1 from 32, the answer is 31. What sign we have to write here? Here greater number sign. So minus sign, minus 31 by 16. X plus 1 by 4 the whole square equal to minus 31 by 16. Now we have to find the value of x plus 1 by 4. So x plus 1 by 4 equal to, cancel this square, then put here square root, minus 31 by 16. Minus 31 root, and the value of root 16 is minus root 31 divided by root 16 is root 4 into 4. So cancel this root value, 4. So x plus 1 by 4 equal to minus 31 by 4. X equal to minus root 31 by 4. Taking this plus value to the other side of this equation, this will become minus 1 by 4. So answer is minus root 31 minus 1. Here x plus 1 by 4 the whole square value is minus 31 by 16. After taking the now here we are squaring the number. The square of a number cannot be a negative number. So there is no real root for this equation. 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. There is no real root for this equation because the square of the number is a negative value.